Discover the HOLULO Lockout Kit, the ultimate safety solution for electricians and maintenance professionals. This comprehensive kit includes durable, non-conductive safety padlocks, easy-to-use lockout devices, and everything you need for quick, tool-free installation. Designed to safely isolate electrical sources and other machinery, it ensures a safer workspace during repairs. Lightweight and built to withstand harsh environments, it's perfect for industrial settings. Keep your tools organized with the included storage pouch. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the Dioche Lockout Kit, your ultimate safety companion. This comprehensive set includes padlocks, circuit breaker locks, tags, and a sturdy storage bag, making it perfect for industrial, chemical, electric, power, and other hazardous environments. Designed for easy tool-free installation and built with impact-resistant materials, it ensures maximum safety and compliance. Keep your workspace secure and organized with this versatile lock solution. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the MEKOTRIN Lockout Kit, the complete solution for electricians to ensure safety and compliance. This versatile kit includes a medium-sized bag, multiple padlocks and keys, plug lock box, hasps, and various circuit breaker locks, all crafted from durable, anti-impact materials. Designed to fit a wide range of circuit breakers, it's perfect for industrial, power plant, and even flammable environments. Easy to install and organize, the MEKOTRIN Lockout Kit is your trusted safety partner. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Segrehy Lockout Kit, the ultimate safety solution for electricians and industrial workers. This comprehensive kit features impact-resistant reinforced plastic and bright red visibility stickers to keep everyone aware. With tool-free installation and lightweight, durable materials, it's perfect for quick, secure lockout of circuit breakers in any setting. Whether you're working in factories, mines, or chemical plants, this kit ensures safety and compliance. Find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a reliable way to enhance safety in your industrial environment? The Lockout Kit is your perfect solution. It features a comprehensive set of tools made from durable, impact-resistant materials that ensure long-lasting performance. Designed for quick and easy installation, this kit helps prevent accidents by securing electrical circuit breakers and hazardous areas. Its versatility means it fits various lockout scenarios, making your safety procedures seamless. You will find the purchase link in the description and in the comment.